Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a trail in Scratch. So this is an example. So you can see I'm dragging my mouse around and it disappears whenever I'm not moving it anymore and it reappears. So that's what I'm going to be showing you right here. So first of all, you want to add a simple when sprite is clicked and add a forever block. So find the forever block. Okay. And then you want to do switch costume to costume 1 right here. Now, because we have that there, we want to do this. So delete this for the costume 1. Make a purple circle. That's about right, I'd say. And then what you want to do is make the outline white, like that. And then make it smaller. And just move that right where the pointer is. I think that's a good enough size. So now I go to code. So now that we have this at costume 1, we can do an if statement right after there. So if statement right here, and then a not, and then a sensing touch. So if it's not touching the mouse pointer, then it should disappear. So we have to tell it to do that. So if we go here, create a clone of myself. So let's find that down here, create clone of myself. And then we go to random position. So we put that after the if statement, because if we put it right during the if statement, it won't work. It'll just mess it up. So we have to put that after and set it to mouse pointer, not random position, because we want it to follow the mouse. Then we press hide, because it should disappear right after we leave it, not show. And then we were just gonna move that over here for the second part of the script. The second part of the script we need to do when I start as a clone. We have to do switch costume to costume 2. So this is costume 1, the purple circle. Costume 2, we're going to leave it as the regular sprite. And you want to do set the ghost effect to 0, and then set the size to 50. You can do 70 or lower. If you do over 70, it might get a little chaotic, and it might get a little too big to notice the sprite, but it's your choice. I'd recommend just leave it at 50 or lower, anything you want. And then you want to do set rotation right over here. Set rotation style. You can put it as anything. Don't rotate all around left to right. Doesn't really matter. If you do don't rotate, it might get a little wonky and it might start lagging a bit. So maybe just leave that left to right or all around. Then you go press show, because while it's moving, you want the sprite to show. You don't want it to be invisible. And then I'm going to do a repeat, not repeat until, just a repeat. And you want to repeat 10 times, no more, because otherwise it will get laggy because there's too much happening. And then you also want to do point towards mouse pointer. You have to do add a change ghost effect and put that at 10, and change the size by -5. Oops, put that in there. -5. You have to put at these, otherwise it's not going to work. Specifically 10 and -5. And then you have to finish this one up, delete this clone right here, and let's press the flag, see what happens. Yep. See, so now it's moving with my mouse whenever I want it to, and when I leave it off, nothing happens. I would like to test something that I haven't tested before. I wonder what would happen if I put this repeat at 20. Let me refresh it. Doesn't really make a difference. I feel like there might be more clones happening. So I think that's the only difference. Let's see, 5, maybe. Refresh. Yeah, I can see that there's less clones when I put it on 5 than there is 20. So I'm going to leave it at 10. And that was my tutorial on how to do moving trail for sprites and reactive to your mouse touch. Thanks for watching.